The 23 INEC officials charged by the federal government for receiving a bribe of 360 million naira during the Rivers State rerun elections are seated together in court. Ahmed Raji, SAN, on behalf of the first 20 defendants, applies for an order that the charge be struck out. Mr. Raji argues that the copies of photographs which were used to bring the case in Abuja were inadmissible under the Evidence Act. Mr. Raji also applies in the alternative for the trial to be transferred to Port Harcourt, as the witnesses are security personnel residing there, and Abuja was not convenient for the defendants. Counsel for the other defendants essentially adopt the submissions of Mr. Raji, highlighting that the charge should have been filed in the division where the main offence was committed. Counsel further submitted that the burden of proof was on the prosecution to show that security was an issue in Rivers State, but that their assertions were inadmissible. Indeed, they had not shown that the trial could not take place in Port Harcourt. Prosecuting counsel, Mr. Alilu, opposed the defendants' application challenging the jurisdiction of the court on the grounds that their arguments were misconceived and lacked merit. And after hearing all submissions, Justice Soho adjourned proceedings to the 12th of May to give his ruling on the defendants' application. Defense counsel comments.
Our contention is that that those security challenges will not inhibit the trial of this case in Port Harcourt. And most so, they've completed investigations into this matter, and there is nothing before the court showing that there will be a breach of security if the defendants are tried in Port Harcourt.
They are saying this will be oppressive for them because none of them is resident in Abuja. And Abuja happens to be one of the most expensive cities in this country today. So if you have to keep on inviting them to Abuja, a time will come when even the money to come here may become an issue for them.
The argument is already placed before the court, and so it's for the court to now determine whether by the submissions of both parties, of all parties, the court has territorial jurisdiction or not.
Justice Soho's upcoming ruling is highly significant, indeed pivotal to the future direction of this case. Will there be a trial at all, or will the full drama of a trial start in earnest, and in which jurisdiction? Yemisi Ipaye, Channels Television News.